Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining me on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. Love them all, aren't they amazing? If you haven't subscribed to their channels, I suggest you go running. Make sure you do. Okay, so today, it's been a big week at work and I'm just thinking we need to have a play and just a bit of an experiment and let's just see where it takes us. So put your feet up. Wombat's going to hit them tunes. Let's have some fun.
Who would have known years ago something beautiful could take a hold of your world, lead you down that road where you'd never go. Who could have seen or believed it turned out like this? What seemed perfect, what felt right would be such a mess. And if you forget, it's not over yet. Give what you got left. When you're feeling low, I can lead you home. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Through the night I will carry you, hand in hand, what you walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. If you're tired, if you're weak, keep on looking up. Fight the fight and you'll see that you're far from done. And if you need someone, it's not over yet. Give what you got left. When it feels unfair, know that I'll be there. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. Go on, take a step. I see it, I see it, oh, I see the light. Through the night I will carry you, hand in hand, what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. Oh, I see it, oh, I see the light. Oh, I see it, oh, I see the, I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. It's not over yet. Oh, I see the light. Night I will carry you, hand in hand, what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. It's so simple when I see you. Can't deny it, the way I feel you. It's so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've been, all the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna be the one. so simple when I see you. Can't deny it, the way I feel you. You're so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've run. All the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna be the one.
Alrighty, well there she is. I'll get Wombat to bring you in for a close-up of that one. It's I must admit, through the middle, I buggered up my loaded palette knife. I probably should have gone halfway and then started again, then I would have got the colour all the way through. But I'm going to try that one again. I enjoy doing the 2 swipes and the loaded palette knife up the middle because you get those different looking cells which can just look pretty damn cool. Alright, well that is it for me. As always guys, thank you for joining us. We greatly appreciate it on the Fluid Art Express. So until next week, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Go get messy!